What is up, you guys? It's your girl Clethia, and today I'm back on another video. Today I'm going to be unboxing this professional gel polish LED nail dryer lamp. I got this from the same beauty supply store I got the nail drill from. Like I said, I've been going there a lot because they recently got some new stuff like acrylics and gels and a lot of nail stuff. So I've been going there a lot recently, and I told you guys I was going to go back to get the lamp when I got enough money. And so I saved up to get enough money, and I have it. So we're gonna open it, and this time I actually didn't open it before I made the video. So this is gonna be my first time seeing it and my raw reaction. And here's the price right here. It was $30, but it came out to be like, you know, $32 because of tax. And you can tell I haven't opened it because, you know, it's still sealed and stuff. So okay, it opened up easily. Ooh, oops. Okay, so that's what it looks like on the box. And it comes with the instructions. That's all that came in the box, just this. So it comes with the power cord, of course. Okay. I'm sorry if the lighting is not that good. I'm on my floor because it has way more space, of course, than a desk. So this is what it looks like. I'm going to zoom in. It has a handle. And then it has all the, hold on, let me turn it around. All the numbers you can put it on. So it has 10 seconds, 30 seconds, 60 seconds. And this one says 99 slow heat mode, double power. So I guess that's like a minute. And then on the back, it has the place where you put the cord, and this is what it looks like in the inside. Okay, so this is 80 watts max. It says it right here. Sorry, I keep hitting the tripod. 80 watts max. That's what the W stands for, watts. Right there, by power. So let's plug it up so we can see. And I actually want to try this out on some of the gel polishes I have, because this is my first like high heating settings, or however you want to say it. This is my first one. I had a LED lamp, but it was small and it came with my polygel kit, as you guys already know. So I want to test this on some other type of gels, a couple type of gels. Zoom you guys out some, and I'm gonna just plug this up in here. Oh, there we go, just like that. And then all you have to do is plug it in the wall. So let's, you know, go to my desk. Okay guys, so I'm about to plug it up, and I want you guys to see this part because I don't know if it's gonna turn on yet. Okay, so it didn't turn on. See? I know you guys seen that, but so now that we have it turned on, the numbers just lit up. I guess those will start like going once I press one of these buttons. But I have all 6 of the gels that we're gonna be testing out, and I have my little raggedy nail swatcher type thing. I just keep reusing this stick, so I glued on 7 because I didn't know like how many I really wanted to do, but I went through all of my gels, and these are the 6 I want to do. But don't mind the tips. I just find some random tips that I won't put on my nails. So I'm explaining each one of these and why I want to test them. So this one, I tried to cure this in the little 6-watt lamp I had with the polygel kit, and it didn't cure, so I want to definitely try that one. This one, it always, well, not this one, but the whole Macart gels that I have in there. And it's not the gel, I just think it's the lamp I was using. It's only 6 watts. And these are very good quality gels. So I think it needs a more powerful lamp. But every time I try to cure it in the 6-watt lamp, it would be still like wet and the color would come off. This can cure just fine in the other lamp I had, but it had a little tacky layer on it, and I don't know why. Even when I tried to wipe it off, this one cured alright in the 6-watt lamp, but for some reason each time like my thumb would like get dirty or something. I don't know. And I always make sure to like keep curing the thumb because, you know, you put the thumb in the lamp by itself. This one is the one I just got from that beauty supply store, and I tried to cure this in the lamp, in the 6-watt lamp, and it wouldn't work. So I'm gonna use a nail brush to paint that on one of these nails. And I need to get some more nail art brushes, so don't mind that. And then this one cured just okay with the 6-watt lamp. This actually came with the polygel kit with the lamp, but you know, I can throw this one in here too. So I don't know if I'm gonna show you guys me doing these ones because I'm gonna have to, you know, dip into it and paint it on. These are brushes, so that's okay. But I might do these two off camera just to save some camera time. So yeah. The paper is there so I don't get anything on my desk because I didn't feel like getting a napkin. Okay guys, so I changed my mind. I actually want you guys to see me swatch this orange one because I just love the way it looks. And so yeah. I'm gonna just scoop some. Ooh, it's so like clear. Like since it's a lot of product in the pot, it looks really orange, but once you put on the nail, it's more like, I don't know, peachy. It's not like dark because it is translucent, so I guess I should have expected that, but I thought it was gonna be a little bit more orange. But I guess if you like layer it on, then it'll get darker. I need to get some more nail art brushes, like. So yeah, you can kind of see the orange tint. That was my doorbell. Ooh. I'm gonna do this one off camera though, cause I already swatched this one when I got the polygel kit. I swatched this one, so you already know what it looks like, but I'm gonna just go ahead and swatch it so we can just see how it cures with this lamp. Okay guys, so I have them all swatched, so I'm not gonna sit it in here because I don't want the gel to get on the thing. So I'm gonna just, you know, hold it in there. So we're gonna put on 30 seconds, but let me just go ahead and put it in here and be gentle because I do not want to bump it and get it in there. If you haven't noticed, the buttons are backwards, but it's okay. Looks so cool inside. Okay guys, so I already cut off and that was after the 30 seconds, so I'm gonna just touch it. Okay, that's the top coat from the polygel kit, the Macart, the blue one. Oh, y'all see that? I don't know about the blue one. And then this is the Model Ones. The orange UV gel, still a little sticky. The green, I don't know, it has a little tacky layer. And this one has none. So I'm gonna stick it back in there for 10 seconds and see if the ones that are sticky just needed some more time. Oh, that was fast. Okay. I don't know, cause this orange one right here is still sticky. Maybe I put too thick of a layer. These ones are fairly good. I don't know about this pink one though. It's giving me bad vibes. Maybe just my hand is dirty and I'm rubbing it too hard. I don't know. But I'm gonna put it back in there for another 30 seconds and I'll come back. Okay guys, final thoughts of the lamp. Me personally, I think the lamp works just fine. I think it's gonna work good to cure anything I need it to. And I did put it back in there for 30 seconds, and the orange one is still having a little trouble. It's still a little sticky, but I think it's because I probably put too thick of a layer. This Model Ones, this one, the Model Ones one, it worked just fine. It cured just fine. It's not sticky. The polygel one also cured it just fine. The Macart one, it cured, but it's sticky on the top, and maybe it's because I need to wipe it with some alcohol. And the blue one, it just does not want to cure. So I don't think it's the 6-watt lamp I had that didn't cure. I just think it's the gel like itself. I don't think you're supposed to put this in the UV lamp now that I think about it, because it won't cure in anything. So maybe you just have to let it sit and dry. But it does say gel. I don't know. The green one, I guess it's okay, but it's also sticky on the top. So maybe the ones that's sticky, I just need a wipe with some alcohol. But this orange one, I think I just put too thick of a layer. So that's basically it. But at the end of the day, I think this is gonna last me, and I think it'll be great for anything I have to cure, like I said. And mainly I'll just be curing top coats. It's not like I really be using these unless I want to do like some art. So yeah, but if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up and comment down below some video ideas that you want to see from me. I do have 2 videos coming that one girl, the same girl, requested me to do, so I will definitely do that, and I'll give you a shout out in the video I do. But if you're watching this, you know who I'm talking to. You know I'm talking to you. But yeah, don't forget to like this video, comment down below some video ideas, don't forget to subscribe and share this video with friends and family that may be interested in nails. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.